guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin. If you're new here, hey, and if you're returning, hey y'all. Okay, so today I'm coming to y'all with a different type of video that I've never done before. As you can see from the title, this is going to be a unboxing video from this company called Dossier. There you go. Dossier. Okay, so I'm super excited because I'm not a big fragrance person, but I really want to get into it because the people that I do know that love fragrances, they really be into it, collecting all these different. So I'm trying to get with it. So here's a start. So I have two perfumes here. So they come in these cute little boxes. How cute. Love the packaging. And I took it out of the other box. It comes in the mail, it comes in a box like this. And then these are inside. Okay, so here we go. Wow. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Okay. It's giving luxury. Alright, so it comes with this little card. This fragrance is called Fruity Magnolia. It's fruity. So it has like pomegranate, rose, amber. Okay. I think I'm gonna like this one. So that's the card. It has the description, and then it just has their name on the other side. And it has the perfume right here. Ooh, okay. I like this. So Fruity Magnolia. I like that. Yes. I really like this, y'all. Like, it is super fruity. But it's not too fruity, you know? It's like a great mix. I love it. It has some wood in there. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, now let's get into this bottle. Okay, I love this. And it has like a magnetic top. I like that. Oh my God. Let's check out the next one. Same packaging. Has a different card, of course. So this fragrance is called Ambery Saffron. And I didn't even see who is it. It says who it's inspired by, or the fragrance that it's inspired by. So this fragrance is inspired by Mason Francis. The Ambery Saffron. It has like orange blossom, jasmine, cedarwood, amber, oak moss. Okay. Let's see how this one smells. Okay. It's totally different than the fruity. But I like. Let me try to spray it on the other arm. I like it, but it's not my favorite. It smells kind of like a man could wear it. I don't know if this is like a how can I not think of the word right now? Unisex. I don't know if this is like a unisex cologne, perfume, but it does smell good. It just smells a little bit more manly. But I like it. Maybe it has to grow on me. Maybe I'll give it to my boyfriend. See if he like it on him. Because I think I would like it on him. So here you go, guys. So out of the two, I definitely love Fruity. I can't think of the name. I definitely love the Fruity Magnolia better. And let me tell y'all what it's inspired by. Oh, Versace. See, it's giving luxury. Like, of course I like Versace. No, this smells really good. So, on the Fruity Magnolia, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. On the Ambery Chiffon, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Just because it smells manly. But it's probably supposed to smell like that, you know? But I really like this company, y'all. So let me tell y'all a little bit more about them. So their prices are super affordable. They range from $29.59. So that's really good. Y'all know these perfumes are expensive in the stores. Like hundreds. So that is a very good. $29 to $59. Okay. We'll have free return and exchanges forever. So if you decide one day you don't like the perfume anymore and you just be like, I'm about to return this, you can return it or exchange. I don't know their specific exchange policy, but they have a forever policy. Who has that? Like, what? Usually it's 30-day returns. So this is forever. All right. And also you can get like bulk deals up to 25% off. So that's very good if you are really into this, or maybe you want to give it to somebody for a gift or something. That's very good that you can get 25% off. Okay, and also I have to mention this. Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. So it's called Catch. So when you're checking out, at the last step of checkout, you can earn $10 bonus credit. So with Catch, you can earn $10 credit plus 10% off your purchase. Okay? So how can you beat that? $10 bonus credit and you get 10% off your purchase. Y'all, shop Dossier, please. Like, I am super satisfied with this, and I love the smells of both of these perfumes. I definitely recommend this company. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.